Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Kagwe has defended the 0.8% tax on tea, assuring growers that the levy will be deducted from overseas buyers and will not impact local farmer earnings. Speaking at the Kagwe tea factory in Kirinyaga, Kagwe clarified that proceeds from the tax will be channeled directly into branding and marketing Kenyan tea in foreign markets. The Cabinet Secretary also dismissed fears of trade disruptions linked to Middle East tensions around the Strait of Hormuz, revealing that international uptake of Kenyan tea over the past 3 weeks reached 93%, matching performance levels recorded during the same period last year.
Ni 0.8%. Na nani analipa hiyo kodi? Ni yule mwenye ananunua majani chai. Nimesema 50% itakuwa yenu. The war that is going on between Iran and America is also affecting us, our productivity. But we are lucky because the market has suddenly surged. Ukiangalia, the uptake of our tea in the last couple of weeks has been the highest we have seen over 3 years. Over the last 3 years, the tea uptake, and the tea board can confirm this, last week was at what levels? 93%. Last year at this time, we had about 76%. That levy or what is affecting the tea uptake. It is the highest. Na itaendelea kuwa namna hiyo kwa sababu we are going to start serious promotion of Kenya brand.
SBM Bank Kenya has announced